We love the new windows and doors. It looks so much better than it did before. And it was such a surprise, even though we knew that that's what the room needed, we had no idea the impact of the after result. It just looks fantastic.
The challenge that Cammie had with this room is that it was dark and damp and very basement-like. Nobody ever wanted to be down here. In fact, there is a gorgeous garden right outside the wall. We opened up with larger doors and windows. Now this is a very enjoyable finished room looking out onto a beautiful yard.
Cammie's goals for this room was to get more light. So what we did, the door was opened up and we actually took the glass and went all the way down as far as we could on this particular door to allow more energy efficient by doing it that way.
Recently we had a little garden party, and it was so nice to be able to open up the doors and flow in and out from that space rather than using our upstairs porch. So we could have the grill going and people were out here in the yard and we went back and forth to the room. It's so funny because people thought we had just put the room together with the furnishings, and it's the same thing we had in there before, but it looks so much better now with more light. It was so easy working with Marvin. Basically, I called the local dealer and they sent out a rep. We measured, we looked at what we wanted. He ordered them. They were here in 4 to 6 weeks. He even recommended a local contractor who specializes in installing Marvin products. So the whole process was very easy.
My words of advice to any homeowner who's going to renovate an older home is to not skimp on the windows. I have worked with Marvin over the years and they are well worth the investment. They're going to be in your home for a lifetime and they are worth it.